And I can't leave this one out. We have our very first Crown Diamond rank advancement in Livegood, Tim Miller. Tim, I'll bring you on right now since we're talking about that. Just say a few words about Crown Diamond. I'll bring you back on at the end to train a little bit. But congratulations, man. That is awesome. It's funny when Tim he started talking about what's past Diamond, like right when he hit Diamond. He's like, all right, I'm Diamond. What's next? And I told him, I'm like, look, when we have 10 diamonds, we'll make a new rank. And he reminded me, he's like, how many diamonds? How many diamonds? Are we at 10 yet? And as soon as we hit 10, it's like, all right, you told me. Remember what you told me? We get 10 diamonds, you make a new rank. But no, this guy's awesome. I love his drive. I love his motivation. I love that he loves the process and loves helping people. And he's just doing a great job. And, you know, I know a lot of his story and the struggles he's been through, and to see him get to this level is awesome. So on top of all the other commissions, Crown Diamonds also share in 0.5% of total company revenue. We will definitely be over $8 million this month. It'll probably be maybe over $9 million this month, which means that just that bonus check alone, not even counting the $3,000 or $4,000 weekly checks that he's getting, weekly fast start checks that he's getting, not even counting the matrix and the matching bonus check that'll probably be over $40,000 this month. But just that 0.5% bonus pool, Crown Diamond bonus pool alone, is going to be between $40,000 and $50,000. So this guy is looking at probably pretty close to $100,000 a month in a $10 a month deal. In literally in 5 months since we launched this new power line and compensation plan. That is insane. So Timbo, congratulations. Come on, say a few words. Congrats, man.
Hey, Ben, first of all, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for the corporate team, Ryan, Nodder, just Lisa, just everybody. You guys are just totally awesome. And, you know, I just want to personally just say thank all of you for the opportunity. And I tell everybody, you know, I don't ask for deals. I don't ask for handouts. I don't ask to fly in. I don't need to see Ben's house or any of that crazy stuff that goes on in this industry. But when this was presented to me, what I saw was opportunity. I saw something that was going to be huge. And I was a little bit intimidated about it because I said, and I'll never forget, I told Ben, I said, Ben, we're about to disrupt this industry, my friend. I'm kind of nervous because we're going to piss a lot of people in this industry off. But it was right. It was the model. It was the membership deal was insane. And, you know, I didn't look at it the $9.95, and we got beat up a lot. You can't make money at a $9.95 deal. It's just legit. Can you pay on membership? You know, it just got crazy out there, and we've shut all that noise up. Now it's all about going out here and sharing this opportunity. I'll say this, turn it back to you, Ben, and I'll train on the back end. But guys, listen to this. The opportunity is right now. Right now, we've already proven the model. We've proven the concept. We've proven this thing works. And you can say all you want. You know, Ben kind of told you a little bit right there about what's going on as far as income. Guys, I'm just getting started. You know, don't get complacent. You have to strike iron while it's hot. And the iron is on fire right now. This is not time to celebrate. This is not time to be high-fiving each other and all the successes. And Tim went Crown Diamond and we're producing that. That's awesome. But this is nothing. This is nothing. All I wanted to do was get out here and prove what is possible. Now that it's done, all of you guys need to catch me. Come on. I'm waiting on you. Let's do this together. Let's build it big. One team, one dream. Let's go. Back to you, man.
Amen. Amen.
Awesome. And Timbo's right. And this is the message that I want to get into your guys' heads so bad, is how perfect the opportunity is right now. The timing and positioning. Guys, nobody knows about this, but that's changing fast. Every single day, more and more people are finding out about Livegood, are joining Livegood. And that's why, you know, I say in 5 years, it's still going to be awesome. It's still going to be exciting. You're going to save a ton of money on more products than you can even imagine. But at the same time, when everybody's in the company, I gave this example last week. If Costco goes MLM today, who are you going to sign up? Everyone's already in. Right? That's my point. That's where we're going to be in 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years. You have the opportunity to go get them now, and they're still going to be here in 5 and 10 years, and you're going to still continue to get paid on them every single month. Not her like that. I see him taking
I
notes.
love that one.
But that's what I want to get in your heads. Now is the time, guys. Now, don't wait on this. Don't wait. You know, I still want to get my check in my other company, all that stuff, whatever. Get in and start building. Do not sleep on this opportunity. Companies like this, opportunities like this that come in and disrupt an entire industry don't happen very often.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.